the Nike OGs. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicking in the Second Half, aka kishyz, the other aka Kicks in the Second Half. These are going to be the on foot, the Nike OGs, the shoes that I will go back and do. First, the yellow and black Nike OGs. Once again, some of these are still available at Dick's Sporting Goods or Finishline. Here are the black and yellows. All these are already under $100, but some of them are marked down to like 50 bucks, 60 bucks. These are those maroon with that gum bottom khaki color. I think it's called Team Red, maybe not a maroon. I like to play with the colors a little bit, even if they're slightly off. This might not be exactly khaki, but you still get that same vibe. Royal blue Nike OGs. I like the white laces on the blue upper to match the white swoosh and the white midsole. You got that black. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed, share it, pass it along. Thanks everybody for kicking in the second half. kishyz, peace and love.